Today we will learn how to make logos with Canva. How to make logos with Canva. So we'll go ahead and open our Canva app on our desktop. So this is what your Canva homepage looks like. As you can see, you have many things you can make on Canva for your videos, marketing, for your office, for social media. You can make videos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, logos and stories. But today we are making logos, so we'll just click on logo. When you click on logo, it takes you to this page. Then you can see you have templates, already made templates to choose from. And then you have a blank timeline. You can work with your blank timeline if you like, or you can choose an already made template on your left. So you can see there are many types of templates already made to make it easier for you. Whatever profession you are, whatever you sell, there is a template for you on Canva. I even see hospital, doctor, church, whatever it is, there is a template for you. There is even a template for animated logos, if you like an animated logo. So you just go ahead and choose any one of the templates. The ones with the crown symbol are the ones you have to pay for, but there are many free ones you can choose from. Come in. So you just go ahead and choose the one you like, or you can work with your blank template. So I'll just go ahead and choose one and start editing. Choosing a template makes it very easy to make your work faster and easier, as you don't have to build everything from scratch. So to choose a template, you click on it and it will appear on the blank sheet to your right. As you can see, it has appeared. So I'll go ahead and begin to edit it to my taste. So you can see once you click on any element in the logo, a group of So once you click on anything, a group of options appears at the top that you can use to edit the selected element in your logo. As you can see on the top where my mouse is moving, you can change the font, you can add effects, you can change the color, you can align it, you can change the font size, many things that you can do. So I'll click on it and begin to edit. So when you click on it, the text is highlighted, and I'll type in whatever text I want. I'm typing in international. When I click anywhere on the page, what I typed automatically enters. As you can see, it has entered as it was in the original template. So I also changed the text at the top, type in what I want there. You can see I actually chose the template because of the way the text is curved or is round. So that's why templates make your work easier and faster. I don't have to edit it to become curved or round. I just have to type in. So I'll go ahead and edit this image. You can see at the top you have options to animate your image, to flip, crop, or edit, and or change the color. So I'll just go ahead and change the color. I think I should go with red. I don't like this color, I'm going with red. Yes. So once you click on the color, it changes immediately. I'll also change the color of these ones. I was going to say, I don't have to manually type in this one. I like it and I'm keeping it with my design. But if you don't like an element, you can delete it. At the top right hand corner, you see the delete button. You click it and it is deleted. So I want to change the font right now. I don't like this font, so I'll just go ahead and change it. You can see I've clicked on the font I want and it has changed. So I'll do that for all the text so that they are the same font, as you can see. It even helps you to align your text, as you can see. Canva is really a very easy app to use and it's fun. So I'll keep on editing. So right now I think I'll change the background color. So when you click on it, on the square, you click on color at the top, then you choose a color. And when you click on it, the color changes. As you can see, I've changed the background color. So you can also add other things to your logo, apart from the elements that came with it. So on your left-hand side, you see at the bar there, you can see you can add elements. When we click on elements, you see all the types of elements you can add. You can add photos, you can add graphics, you can add shapes, you can add lines to your logo. So I think I'm going to add one of these magic recommendations. You can see I already have something like that in my logo. So I think I want to add another one. I'll go for this hand, since we're talking about beauty. So when you click on it, you can see it has appeared on your timeline. So I'll just go ahead and edit it. I'll reduce the size, click, hold, and drag it down to reduce the size. Then place it where I want it to be. Click, hold, and drag. Yeah, I want it to be here. Yes. So at the top, you see the options. You can animate it, you can flip it, you can crop it, you can change the color. I'll go ahead and click up there and change the color to the same color of the other image. So you can see that's been added to my logo. So you can also upload images from your computer. And you can add photos if you like. But I don't want to add any photo. You can add text to you, apart from the one already in the logo. You can add a heading, subheading, or a little bit of body text, if you like, to your logo. Or you can add font combinations, like these ones, that glow. So you can see the ones with the Crown Pro. They are the ones that you have to pay for, but there are a few free ones like this. I think I'll go for this one. So when you click on it, it appears on your timeline. Then you go ahead and edit. So you can see it has appeared. So I'll go ahead and reduce the size, click, hold, and drag it down to make it small, to fit it into my logo. So basically, it's you that knows the type of logo you want. You just add all the elements you need. You work with templates or you work with blank sheets. Depends on you. But whichever way, Canva is very easy to use, especially for beginners. No, I think I'll move this over here. It's two actually. So keep on editing, adding things to my logo. Yes, my logo is coming along fine, as you can see. So you don't have to be a professional to use Canva to design stuff, especially logos. So you can see I've added it to my logo. And when you go back to the right, to the bar on the left-hand side, you can also add emojis to your logo. If you want, you can see there are many you can choose from. Many types of emojis to add to your logo if you want. And you can also add links. When you click on more, you can see links to different sites, different apps will come up to your logo. So there are many things you can add to your logo. Let's say, if I'm done with this logo, in the top right-hand corner, I'll click on download. This pops up, you can see. Make sure you download a PNG file. You can see PNG is even suggested by Canva. So I'll just click on download. But if I'm not yet satisfied with it and I want to go for a break, I'll just click on home at the top left. When I click on home, then I can log out if I want. So, but when I log back in to this page and scroll down, you can see where it says my design, your designs. So this is the design I was working on, this first one. You can see the name is the international logo. So under my designs, your design. So when you click on it, it takes you back to your design and you can continue editing until you are satisfied. So Canva automatically saves your designs. You don't have to click save anywhere. Very easy app to use. So that's it, guys. This is how to make a logo in Canva. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. And if you did, I would like you to just like this video and subscribe, and in the comments write video ideas you would like me to make about Canva. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.